All right, so welcome back to the Collector's Corners, guys. So in this video, this episode, I'm just gonna show you guys the different ways how to go at it and how I do what I do. The first one here is what I do is I go to thrift shops. Of course, everyone knows that thrift shops, rummage sales. Those are good finds. You do a lot of good things on the Goodwill finds. And also, so these are the items that I've got from Goodwill or went around. And actually, these aren't Goodwill. A couple of these are storage units, but that's another area. And another one I want to also bring up is storage auctions. I know some of you guys heard of it or seen it on TV. It's not quite crazy like that, but what I do the online one. Here you go. I do the online one. It's fast and easy, and I've gotten multiple $10 storage units. And those are my watches from the storage units. Some rims from storage units. Another thing I also do is I auction cars as well, as you can see here. But a lot of the items that I buy, I've accumulated so much, so I had to get a slash storage unit, but really it's like a storefront in downtown. So I use it for rummage sales and stuff. And once summer's done, then I just pack things up, whatever's left over, and put it away. But these are a few of the things I've got within probably the past it's probably 6 months stuff. But pretty cool stuff, pretty neat stuff. I also like to buy estates. Yeah, we're out of business. The business close down or move location. Sometimes if you can, try to deal with the person personally, one-on-one, versus going through a broker or anything like that. But if you could find a private seller and try to deal with that and make a deal on all their stuff, that'd be awesome too. So yeah, this is all the stuff that I've gotten from that one's pretty cool. That one I got from rummage sale. That was pretty cool. The Masters of the Universe. Yeah. I think that you bought you and you can't keep it. Cái khởi everything是给这个给搞结束的嘛，我来这不是可以那个结束公布不录的。You gotta know how to let things go and not collect or buy stuff and go crazy. But that I had and I collected and done very well. Rummage sale. Well, I lao la lo la, well, I palo la, you to let off halu you to more la tell you off la. You like that? She knew you really come on you chicken sing ya. The top you know you chicken sing like you more and got a line there's a lot of those, especially rummage sales. You get the best deals out of the rummage sale, huh? That's where you get your best deals. Flea markets, rummage sales. That's your best bet. But storage units, storage unit, but not to go into detail, I'm just giving you guys the basics, the beginning of the basics, getting everyone understanding and getting the concept here. But what I everyone it's very easy. You just gotta know what you're looking for. It takes time. Yeah, here's me and my son in the unit. That thing right there, that blue thing, I was so scared. You look layer, you look coffin. It's like a little carriage.